All right, you're on camera, so.
I'm on camera?
Well, your voice will be.
Uh-oh.
Driving through Terrell, North Central Texas, my hometown. My mom and dad live here. Dad's in the truck, and we just got done having a pretty big storm. And there's a lot of trees down. Yep.
Mess around.
Look at that up there. Look at that one, Dad.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, something big.
Oh, that's on. Look at that house.
I know, something big fell on that house.
Holy cow.
Right there. Look at this one.
That's a pretty big tree there.
That one there.
Oh, that's plumb broke off at the
Look at that one, broke off at the root right there. Sure enough. You ain't gonna believe that one on 9th Street though, Dad.
I hate it. What falling so much house.
I know.
You know,
That's bad business right there. Now, I don't think it hurt the house too much, but I was just shocked at how the
she drives a
Miss Tan.
Subaru station wagon.
Okay. Like me or like an Outback? Oh, look at that big limb right there.
It's a wagon. It's not a. No, it's bigger than that. Maybe it's an Outback.
It's a pretty big one right there. Bigger than mine?
Bigger, yeah.
Gotcha.
Oh, I bet she's working now.
We're on Griffith, the main drag. There's a tree down right there.
Yeah, that's a relative. That
Pretty
broke
big
off
one.
at the ground too.
Got some damage over here. Right there's a pretty big one down.
And they got rid of all their old
Yeah.
trees. So do you remember that ranch house? That story that was over here?
Gone.
They removed it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Dad, look at this one.
my goodness.
Look at that.
There's a tree.
I mean, uprooted. Dad, uprooted.
Yeah, it did mess that house up, son.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, it did.
Holy smokes. Holy smokes, Dad. Golly.
Look here.
All right, we'll go this way. Dang.
Yeah.
I mean, Terrell looks like he got hit hard.
There you go.
All right, they said to go down.
It's all there.
We're coming up on the
That may be true, you know. Is it sure?
golf course.
And it may have done some damage on it. Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
There was one down there already split. Oh, look at here.
Dude. That is broke down bad. Wow.
Or something.
Big old sucker though.
Yes, sir.
And there's some giant limbs off these oak trees, but
Yeah.
goodness. Holy smokes, man.
I think it was Sandy, and that's the lines holding the poles up.
I'm
now.
telling you.
Look at that.
Golly, look at that. Holy smokes.
Real big and just snapped off over there.
Yep.
You know, that's how a twister does it right there.
Well, that's what Sandy was saying, was it looks
Yeah.
like it got twisted.
That's how it does. It just snaps them off like a matchstick. Look at that fence. We ain't got it.
Golly.
Did a bunch of breaking off here.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.